and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. This one is one that I haven't done in a while. I've been still getting the boxes, I just haven't shared them with you guys. So I figured right now would be a perfect time to share with you before I send it back. It is already open, but I wanted to share with you because it was a really good box, even though I'm probably not going to keep many things out of it. So let's go ahead and get into it. It's a Stitch Fix. So you guys know how that goes. It's a monthly thing that you can do. They'll now they have evolved. So since I've done one of these videos, they have made lots of changes. You're actually able to kind of customize your box. They send you a preview. You select what you want in the preview, and then they send it to you. If you don't want the things that they're gonna send, they send a whole different box. They don't give you a second preview though, so you kind of don't know what you're gonna get. But I do appreciate that it kind of gives you a little bit of control. You can kind of let them know they're in the right direction or they're completely off track. So those are some of the things that have changed that I do like, that I think are really going to be beneficial for Stitch Fix. I've had tons of misses lately, I'm not going to lie to you, but this one was actually pretty good. So I wanted to share it with you guys. So I got 2 pairs of shoes in this box, and both of them are pretty funky. I'm not going to lie to you. What I will say though is, because of the way that I shop, it's not very beneficial for me to get Stitch Fix boxes because I can always find something for super inexpensive. And so they don't really account for sales and stuff when they send you these things. They send it full retail even if they have gone on sale. And so things can get a little pricey. And so if I find something that I love on Stitch Fix, I'll look on Poshmark and see if I can find it. Or even sometimes the retailer will have it like much cheaper. So yeah. This boot right here is life to me. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is, I believe, Dolce Vita maybe. Yeah. Size 9. It has so much character. It has a lug sole. I love the little silver studs. It's genuine leather. And then y'all know I love a good cheetah print or leopard print moment. This is cheetah, but people use them interchangeably. And so that just stands out for me. It straps up, but it also zips up the side to make for easy access. I do love this boot. I think it's really, really nice. Love it. It's definitely up my alley and it's perfect for my style. 100%. Next pair of shoes that they sent me were a pair of sneakers. This is a funky shoe, and if I keep anything, it'll probably be these. They have so much character. I love the lilac, the purple, lavender, the gold. It's just so good. And this is like a suede here. It's so good. I love this sneaker. I love it. I love everything about it. I've never heard of this brand before, but if I do keep anything, it will be these sneakers because these are hot fire and they fit my feet perfectly. Next thing that I got, now this is one item that was in my preview that, so neither pair of those shoes were in my preview, I don't think. Maybe the boots were. Those tennis shoes were not. Those were a complete surprise, and I was so happy to see them. This sweater was in my preview. This is my style. Like, I love it. It's so soft. This color is perfect for my complexion. Love, love, love it. So yeah, this is one of the items that I told them to go ahead and send so that I could try it on and see what I thought about it. And then I have 2 dresses. This first one, you guys, cutouts are all the rave right now. And so this one has a couple different trends. It's got that cutout right there in the chest part, and then it's also ribbed. Perfect for fall and winter with some boots. Those black boots would be real hot with this. One thing that I hated about Stitch Fix is that they were sending me like summer stuff. Like, I got a tank top last month and I'm like, hello, it's 30 degrees here. I need winter and fall clothes. So I was glad this time around that she took note of that and she started sending me some fall items, because I told her, like, it's too cold here to wear the stuff that you sent in, right? Okay, so here is the last piece right here. It's another dress, sweater dress. Super nice, feels amazing. Turtleneck, yes. The color, yes. It's like cashmere, yes. So you know that means it's gonna be pricey, right? So I'll try all these things on for you guys so that you can see what they're looking like, and then we'll go over the prices and I'll tell you why I will be or won't be keeping certain items. All right? All right. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna try on this sweater because it'll go fine over the shirt that I have on. But I noticed while I was unbuttoning it that it has a flaw on it. Like, there's a hole right here. That's not gonna work for me. So here's the buttonhole, but here's an actual hole. Like, So I sure won't be keeping this. But I love the style of this sweater and the color of it. The sleeves are perfect for me. Like, I love a good dramatic, like, balloon style sleeve. But this is right up my alley, y'all. Like, I live for something like this. Like, I would throw this on with some boots. That's so tacky. I hate that that button is looking like that. They really need to do better. With like some skinny jeans and like some thigh-high boots maybe, or something like that. This is really cute and cozy, and it's super soft. It's a perfect fit. I love the fit of it. I love the color of it. I love everything about it. But first of all, it's messed up. And yeah, I could definitely thrift something like this. So that's why I won't be keeping this, aside from the fact that there's a huge hole. But I do love it though. She did a great job as far as my style is concerned and picking something that I would like for my personal style. So I like that, but I won't be purchasing it. And let's see how much this costs. I don't know. I'll put the price on the screen so you guys could see how much it cost. I'm pretty sure that this was like 40 bucks or something like that, which is again pretty pricey to me because I could thrift something like this for $6 or $7, and so ideally I wouldn't buy that retail. Next piece, and I'm not gonna try on the shoes because y'all, they're shoes. You guys know what they look like, but these fire. I just want you to know they're fire. Here is this dress with the cutout. It's very nice. I love the style. I love the fit of it. I'm usually not a fan of like ribbed dresses, and I'm usually not a fan of like cutouts either. I think I don't know. They're kind of coming back and they're the it thing right now, but I just don't typically like them. But this dress gets it right. I like it. I think it's flattering. I still have my jeans on, y'all. But yeah, I like it a lot. I think the length is great. I think it would have been perfect with that little combat boot. But yeah, this is about, I think, 60 bucks. Again, I'll have the price listed on here so that you could see it. But yeah, it's cute. It's cute. I still have my shirt on under here. I don't know if y'all could see it, but I do like this. But for 60 bucks, I could find something similar at Ross or TJ Maxx for $11.99 or something like that. And I know y'all be like, girl, but that's not the point, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. I know. I just enjoy getting these boxes and trying on the clothes. So, I mean, I'm really not, you know, it's not a big deal to me. But here's this dress. Okay, so I went and found my prices. So that sweater was $46. So, no. That black ribbed dress is $54, so no. It is by Valentina, and it was in a size large. I like it, but I don't $54 like it. Same with the sweater, especially with it having that hole. That's a no. So now let's try on this cashmere turtleneck sweater dress. It is in a size large. I can tell you right now, she won't be keeping this because it's $198, and I just would never. I would never. Like, I would never pay that for this. Again, because it's something, I actually thrifted something very similar. It's not long sleeve, but it's very similar. So I would not pay $198 when I bought a dress for $9 from the, you know, from Goodwill with tags on it that is very similar to this. So yeah, no, but it does feel amazing. It looks great on. I'm gonna try it so y'all can see it. Hold on. Y'all see what it does to my little fro? Y'all like my hair? I'm getting it braided next week, but I've been loving my natural hair lately and wearing it short like this. Although, don't let the shrinkage fool you. It's really not that short. It just looks like it. But anyway, so it's a really, really cute dress. I love the color of it. Love the style of it. I love it. I do. I really do. And it is really soft. But never, ever would I pay $200 for this. Like, never. Never would I pay $200 for this. And now what I would style with this is those sneakers. That would be bomb together. And then you could throw on like a denim vest with that. And that would be super cute. So yeah, I do love this. I think this is a good look, but not for $198, sis. she's not doing that. She's not doing, she's, who, what? So now let's go ahead and move on to the shoes. I'm just gonna finish out the video in this dress because I'm gonna get $200, baby. Let me, So the sneakers are from the brand Daytona, Quadrant, and no. They're from the brand Gola Classics. They are the Daytona Quadrant sneaker. It's $85. I may keep those. I'm gonna look them up. This is what I always do, y'all. If I love something on Stitch Fix and I feel like it's expensive, I look it up on Poshmark first, then I look it up on Google to see if I can find it, new with tags, for cheaper. And if I can, then I'll do that. I got a pair of jeans that way. I ended up paying like, I think the jeans were like 85 or 90 bucks on here, and then I got them on Poshmark for like 25 or 30 bucks. And so yeah, I never just go ahead and pay outright because I feel like that's, I mean, like, unless you're someone who has a lot of money and you just don't care about, you know, care to look or care to shop. I'm a shopper, so I don't mind the chase. I don't mind the hunt. I actually enjoy it. It makes me happy. So, but if you're a person who's you're using Stitch Fix for the convenience of it and you hate shopping, go for it. It's perfect for you. But I just like getting stuff in the mail and seeing if a person can figure out my style. Okay. And she did an amazing job. She picked some great pieces for me. I'm not gonna hold you. She did a really good job, but I will be looking for those shoes to see if I can find them for cheaper. If I can't, I'm getting them because I do love them. And then the black boot is Dolce Vita. It's the Hinto lace-up lug sole leather booty, and it's $160. I can guarantee you that I can find that for cheaper, probably at Marshalls or Ross for $30 because they have Dolce Vita at Ross all the time. So, and I do have a few pairs of black lug sole boots. So though they have a few elements that I don't have, like the leather trim with the studs in it and the cheetah print up the back, it's still not special enough or different enough for me to justify spending that kind of money on them, if that makes sense. But yeah, I just wanted to bring it to you guys because I do still get the Stitch Fix boxes and I do still enjoy it. But listen, they have been sending me some garbage, and so it's just not been worth me sharing. But this was a really good box, and so I wanted to share with you guys so that you could see, you know, what they had to offer and how it was going. But anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what your favorite piece was down in the comment section below. Let me know which pieces you would keep or which pieces you think I should keep. And I will continue to do these. I will continue to get the boxes in. So I'll share with you as I see fit, like if it's a really good box or if it's a horrible box and I just want to show y'all how horrible it is, I'll share that too. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you're being kind to each other, love on each other, and we will see you next time. I love you. Bye.